everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be sharing with you a Lux for Less spring Dollar Tree haul. Oh my goodness, the Dollar Tree has been so on it this spring, and I had to go ahead and get this video out for you guys because I don't want you to miss out on these deals, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first item is absolutely amazing. It's this iMovie nail file. These cost about $20 a piece, and I picked up several of these for gifts later on. I could not believe these were in the Dollar Tree. So run to your nearest Dollar Tree to pick these up. They will make great gifts, great stocking stuffers, great birthday gifts, baby shower gifts, door prizes, you name it. This is such an amazing item to have in your gift closet. And again, they retail for about $20 each. So absolutely run to your nearest Dollar Tree to pick these up. They are a steal of a deal. Next up is this great Peeps book. This is absolutely amazing for this time of the year because you guys know Peeps are in the stores everywhere. And what it does is give you different ideas for recipes and crafts. This will be great to do with your children for the spring or for Easter, and it carries throughout the year. I saw ideas in here for summer, for Halloween. So many amazing, cute, super cute ideas for breakfast. This will be such a great way to incorporate Resurrection and Easter into your household and to do spring crafts with your children. So much fun. You can even play Peeps checkers. Like, I love this because it includes so many different recipes along with games and activities. So such a great buy. I think it retails at $12.95. So definitely a Lux for Less item at the Dollar Tree. Next up is this little bunny tail. How cute is that? I went to, I know you guys, over a dozen Dollar Trees looking for this little bunny tail because there is a DIY that I want to do and get out to you really soon. I actually saw these on some chair ties or chair wraps at, I think it was either Pier 1, I think it was Pier 1, or what's the other really expensive store? No, I can't think of the name of it right now. But anyway, if I do, you know, I'll put it on the screen. But I saw a DIY that I want to do. I want to do a dupe on this little tail. And some of them you may see with the little bunny ears, but I'm going to show you how to do the Lux for Less version. I think it was at the Pottery Barn is where I saw the other item. So this bunny tail will be used to do a DIY duping an item that I saw at both the Pottery Barn and at Pier 1. So yes, you're going to see the Lux for Less version of that. The next item that I picked up were these amazing, they're not really mason jars, but these little jars that have the burlap around it. And I thought these would be so amazing for a wedding. Like, how amazing is that? And I love the size of them. You could hang them on the shepherd hook. So let's say you're having a rustic wedding outside, you can put like flowers in these and hang them down the aisles on little shepherd hooks. Like, how cute would that be? And then also you could hang them like in trees, or if you wanted to hang them from like a mantle and put candles in them, like, the possibilities are limitless. So I absolutely love this, and I have never ever seen these at the Dollar Tree. So definitely a Lux for Less buy, and great for event planning and for decorating. So don't walk, but run to your nearest Dollar Tree because this is definitely Lux for Less to prove. You guys have gotten into the adult coloring book craze, but I thought these were so amazing. And so these are adult coloring books, and they also have the color pencils included in here. The retail value on this one was actually $12.99. So how amazing is this? So this is, you know, at least 90% off of the retail price. So I thought this one was really cute because it did include the coloring pencils, and I thought this would be great for like birthday gifts, to go in your gift closet. Again, door prizes, if you're going to be doing a community service project at a nursing home or rehabilitation center. These would be so great to donate for only $1. I also picked up the Fritsch, I'm not going to even try to pronounce that word, but anyway, it's really royal, beautiful pictures, like gorgeous chairs. Like, how amazing is that? like so super amazing. And you could color these and actually hang them like artwork. Like I would actually color these in and use them as artwork. And of course, you know, black and white and gold is my heart. So you can actually leave them as is if you want to do that. But I just thought it was such a beautiful adult coloring book, and there are so many great things that you can do with these. And so they're intricate line drawings that are inspired by motifs from the 18th century France. And so, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful and so super elegant. Like, how elegant is that? How gorgeous is that? Can you imagine this like colored so beautifully? Like, this instantly becomes wall art. And the retail price for this one in the US is $14.95. Dollar Tree, $1. Lux for Less approved. The next item that I picked up was this gorgeous vintage inspired coloring book, and I love that it came with all the jewel tone colors. So beautiful. Look at those coloring pencils. How gorgeous are those? The retail price on this coloring book was around $14.95, and then you can tear out the pages in this particular book. They have like the perforated edges, and I just thought this was so absolutely beautiful as well. And I just love the fact that you can get these at the Dollar Tree, because I remember like when adult coloring books got really popular, they were like super expensive and they flew off the shelf. So this is such a great item to have in your collection. So one other item that I did not get to include in this video because it has not made it in yet, but I think I'm going to dedicate it to a video all by itself, was that I was able to get in on the closeout merchandise that the Dollar Tree purchased from Rachel Ray. Like, I got Rachel Ray dishware for $1 for each piece. So I think a place setting is normally around $20 to $29, and I went on replacement.com, and one of the dinner plates was like $19.99, and a salad plate was $14.99 on replacement.com, and I got those pieces for just $1 each. Like, you guys, it was absolutely amazing. I am going to leave that link also below if you're interested in doing or purchasing these pieces, because this is such an amazing price, and I have never seen a closeout deal like this one before. So definitely hop on this deal. You guys know I'm all about the Lux for Less versions of the items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I'm always after the hot items and not really the typical items that they have. Like, I specialize in finding those items that are very high value and you get them for an extremely low cost. Like, that's what living luxuriously for less is all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you the 2018 hot items at the Dollar Tree this spring. I definitely encourage you guys to run out and purchase them as soon as you can. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for 60,000 subscribers. You guys mean more to me than you can ever fathom. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have grown so much together, and I so appreciate you guys. If you're interested in my upcoming Lux Academy, where I share with you all of my secrets from event planning, event design, event decor, any aspect of event coordinating, any of those items that you may be interested in, or any of those areas that you're interested in, I will leave that link down in the description box below as well. Thank you again. I really appreciate you guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook for daily updates. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.